Hi YouTubers. As you'll know, I've been working away on my T25 for the past year and a half. With the old van, I've had a bit of a cold starting problem. This is just a quick video to show some things you can check, because the fault on this was so simple and quite a surprise, a pleasant surprise. So here goes. If your van struggles to start when it's cold, then more often than not it's something to do with your glow plugs. And if you look in, the things to check are, if you look in here, there's a fusible link there. You need to check that's in good condition. They can sort of dry up and crack. Make sure the two screws either side are secure, don't over tighten them. And also there's a relay in there which can be faulty, but I thought before I start fiddling about with that, what I'll do is I'll connect my multimeter to the terminal on the first glow plug, and then connect it to an earth around the engine somewhere, and turn on the ignition and see if there's any current flowing to the glow plug. So I was about to do that, and I was moving some wires out of the way, and to my surprise and great delight, the main power feed wire just broke off. Just like that. Now that's a wire that carries 50 amps, so it's got to be in good condition, otherwise it's not going to work. So I'm going to put a new connector on, and fingers crossed that should solve the problem. But just to show you, in case you're having the same problem, what you'll do once you've got the ignition key is you'll turn the ignition on, the light will come on as per normal, and you wait, and it goes out, and you think great, and you turn it, nothing. Another check you can do to make sure your glow plug circuit is working, if you turn on the interior light and then turn on the ignition, the light should dim. Once my phone sorts itself out, right, the light should dim, but there's nothing at all. You should turn it on, the glow plug light should come on, this light should dim, the glow plug light should go off, and then about 5 seconds later the light should go bright again. But as you can see, there's nothing happening because there's no current draw. So I'm now going to put the new connector on the wire. Right, so I've stripped the wire and I've connected my meter to it, and I'm just going to check that I'm getting voltage. It should be between about 12 and 11.5. So I'm going to check I'm getting voltage at the wire. So I'll turn the ignition on, dash round here, and there we are. It's dropping a bit because I've been cranking the battery. 11.2928. Now it should turn off shortly. In theory, you should at some point. Yeah, the circuit's on a lot sooner, or a lot quicker than you think. There we go. Just heard like a clonk in near the relay, and off it went. Right, here's the new connector in place, like so. I found it easier to get to the wire to work on it if I took off the like the water temperature sensor there and the oil pressure sensor wire there. So just disconnect those two, and there you go, crimped on there, all nice. So here's the moment of truth, and you'll be able to tell from the length of time the glow plug's on that I haven't already tried it. So you are as much, see, there's the check, see, the light, I turn the light on, it dims, see that, turn the ignition on, it dimmed. Right, so here goes, I'll turn it on, and here goes. Hopefully it will start up better than ever. Oh. Nope. unhappily clacking away. Old VW diesel. Nice. So there you are. As simple as that. Hope this helps. Ta-da.